All right, guys, working on a Power Probe 3, and what is happening, the case won't stay together, and it's because this plastic piece right here is completely broken. It slid off a hood of a car onto the concrete, and this piece snapped. This is called an end cap housing tip. The way to remove it is you have to take the probe, put it in. You have to unscrew this. Okay, just like that. Now, you can go ahead and grab this, slide it straight out, and there you go. So let me show you the new piece, which is right here, okay? This number on this is part number PN3060 PP3. I split the case apart to just show you this, but right down here, so these two tabs slide down right there into the two holes right there. So one there and one on the other side. So those two slide in there. Now, if you look down inside of here, there's two guides. Right here, there's one, and there's the other one right up there. And those two slide down around the plastic housing into this notch and this notch right there. And that's what holds it down and in place. So let's go ahead and pop back together the housing, okay? There, just like that. And it's gonna slide in just like that. Make sure this is seated down to the plastic housing so there's no gaps or anything. And then when that's done, you can go ahead and put this back in. Screw it all the way down. And there you go.